Good morning, respected judges, mentors, and fellow innovators. We are Team Orians, and today we bring you a solution with the power to transform the future of agriculture. Our project is a software solution for the problem statement blockchain based supply chain transparency for agriculture produce, which comes under the theme of agriculture, food tech, and rural development. Now, imagine this: a farmer works tirelessly for months and months only to sell his crops at a lower price because of the middlemen. Meanwhile, a consumer pays a higher price without knowing if the product is genuine, safe, or sustainably grown. This broken system creates exploitation, mistrust, and inefficiency. And that is the very problem we are solving with CropStory, our blockchain based platform for tracking farm produce from source to consumer.
Our idea, Crop Story, is a blockchain based platform designed to create complete transparency in the agricultural supply chain. Using smart contracts, we ensure that all transactions are tamper proof, while QR codes allow consumers to instantly verify products' quality, price, and origin. This creates a system of trust for all stakeholders. Our app Crop Story solves issues of farmer exploitation, lack of price transparency, and consumer trust. It achieves this by providing quality assurance, verified transactions, and complete crop tracking. CropStory differentiates itself from traditional systems and competitors by integrating multiple cutting edge technologies into a single comprehensive platform, like blockchain transparency, QR code generation, weather integrated advisories, AI powered pricing, sustainability metrics, and consumer farm ratings.
To make this vision a reality, we have designed a robust technical stack. Our front end is built with React.js, HTML, Tailwind CSS for building user interfaces. On the back end, we have used Supabase with SQL codes and table relations for server-side scripting with Lovable. The traceability is implemented using a unique barcode logic with the barcode for each product consisting a farmer ID and a crop ID, with the data of distributors' transport, storage cost, and retailers' final price. These barcodes are a simple but powerful way to ensure the product is tracked through every stage.
We believe that our idea is highly feasible due to strong market demand for transparency in agriculture sector. The transparency will help to build the trust among farmers, retailers, and consumers by reducing transaction costs and operational efficiencies in the supply chain, making an effective chain of supply across the country. However, we have identified potential challenges, including high initial costs, low tech literacy, and scalability issues. We plan to overcome these by using a phased rollout, designing a simple, user-friendly interface, choosing a scalable blockchain, and implementing a system to incentivize quality data input from farmers.
For farmers, the system offers a path to high profits, improves financial security, and supports better decision making. Consumers gain complete trust and enhanced safety. Finally, distributors and retailers benefit from improved operational efficiency and a stronger brand.
It offers significant social benefits by building trust and empowering farmers with fair pricing. Economically, it improves market efficiency and reduces transaction costs. Environmentally, it encourages sustainable farming practices and reduces food waste through traceability.
This is our prototype. We named it Crop Story as it specifies the journey of a crop from farm to the consumer. It is beneficiary for all farmers, distributors, retailers, and consumer. Our app provides solution by using blockchain transparency, AI-powered pricing, and local sourcing, connecting local farmers and supporting sustainable agriculture. So imagine I'm a farmer. I want to log into our website. This is our login portal. We have to enter our full name, email, password, farm location, farm name, certificate of the farmer, phone number, a verification code, preventing bot attacks. After creating an account, the website welcomes me. The first thing a farmer sees is the total revenue, total sales, and the rating, which are given by the consumer, strictly depending upon the sustainable practices done by him and the quality of the crop. He can also see recent harvest containing quantity, date, price, and transaction ID. So imagine I want to register a harvest. Let's take crop category, grain, crop type, wheat, quantity, I'm choosing 100. Unit, we have kg, quintal, ton, I'm choosing kg. Harvest date, base price set by the farmer, I'm choosing 5000. Product image, the image of the wheat. A quality certificate given by the government. After clicking to register harvest, a QR code is generated which contains the information of farmer and the detailed information of the crop. We can also print it as a sticker. Secondly, we added analytics where the farmer can see the price trend analytics and crop yield predictions. We also have a weather tab which shows weather forecast and gives weather alerts. The bonus feature of our app is the that we included an AI chatbot named Krishichen Assistant. He provides all the agriculture related information to the farmer. For example, I want to apply for PM Kisan Yojana. The AI chatbot not only gives the step-by-step process but also provides us the link which we can redirect to the government portal. So I'll log out from the farmer and log in as a distributor. Again, we'll sign up my business name, my email, my password, location, tax ID, phone number, and again a verification code to prevent bot attacks. After creating an ID, the first thing that the distributor sees is the inventory, where the recently harvested crop that is registered on the blockchain is visible. He can add it to his inventory by manually entering the barcode or by scanning the barcode. As you can see, the recently harvested crop is added to his inventory. Nextly, we have product sourcing, where the distributor can quick source the products. We have price calculator, where we will select the recently created batch, transport cost of the distributor, storage cost, and the profit margin chosen by the distributor, which is transparent and can be seen by the consumer. It calculates the final price. It comes to 6510 here. We have added a logistics where the distributor can see the active shipments, including batch ID, destination, driver's name, vehicle, route. Now I will log out and Bhargav will explain the app further.
So previously, as we have seen for the farmer and the distributor, so for example, now you are a retailer and you want to use the website. So firstly, you will create your account and sign up on the page. You will add your name, your email, your password, your location, your business name, your tax ID, your phone number, and the verification code. Now once the verification is done, your account will be created, and further you will be logged into the retailer dashboard, where you can see is the first step is product sourcing, where the retailer can see all the available products along with the farmer name, the location, the rating of the farmer, the quantity available, the shelf life, and the current pricing along with an AI suggested pricing. Here the retailer can pick whatever crops he wants. So for example, we add wheat over here. Now as you can see, it has been added to the cart. You move on further to quality control, where we will add the product image, where our AI will analyze that particular image and will tell whether the crop is good or bad. As you can see, it says the freshness is excellent and the shelf life is 7 to 10 days. Now he will move further to product verification, where he will upload the patch ID and he will verify if that particular product or that particular crop has been registered on our app. If he inputs an invalid ID, for example, then our system says the verification has failed and that crop has not been registered on our app. Further, he'll move to shopping cart, where he can place his order, and that's it for the retailer side. Now he logs out, and what about the consumer? So the same process goes on for the consumer, where he will create his account by adding his full name, his email, the password, his location, phone number, and finally the verification code. And once that is done, he will be logged in to his consumer dashboard, where the first tab he will see is the marketplace, where he can see all the products that are available on the website with the name, the farmer name, the location, the rating of that farmer, the available quantity, the certification of that crop, and along with a pricing in per kgs. So as you can see on the top near the search bar, we have also added these some filters such as nearby farms, organic only. So for an instance, if the consumer wants the crop to be delivered the fastest, so he can click on the nearby farms, and the website will sort out all the crops that are grown in the nearby area. While if he wants the crop to be organic, so he can click on the organic only tab. So for example, now we add basmati rice to our cart. You can see it has been added to the cart. Further, he'll move on to cart and payment, where he can actually see the main idea of our website is the full transparency thing. He can see the cost breakdown of that particular crop, from farm price, from transportation cost to storage cost to distributor margin, and what is the final price that particular consumer is paying for that crop. And after knowing that, he can move further on to pay for that crop, where he can pay via UPI, credit or debit card, and net banking. After the payment is done, he'll get this notification where the order has been placed, and further he can track the order. Now, as it is a prototype website, the live tracking is not working currently, but it will. Now previously, as you have seen, there was a QR code which was created once the farmer registers a crop, which was beneficial for the distributor as well as the retailer. But there is a QR code which we have also generated for the consumer side. So for example, if the consumer wants to know more about the journey of his crop, so currently it's not been reflecting on the website, but once the consumer scans that QR code, he will be redirected to this particular website, where he can see the crop he has bought along with the harvest date, the certification of the crop, and the price at which he has bought. If he scrolls down, he can see some brief information about the farmer, distributor, and the retailer, and the total income that was generated for them by selling this particular crop. And further, if he scrolls down, he can see the entire journey of the crop, starting from a seed to the growth period to the harvesting period, when that crop was quality certified, when it was sold to the distributor, when it was in the transportation, when it was in the processing, and finally when it was available at the retailer for purchasing. And that's it for our website. Thank you. To conclude, agriculture is the backbone of India, but farmers and consumers both suffer because of the lack of trust and transparency. With Crop Story, we bridge that gap. We empower farmers, protect consumers, and make the supply chain transparent, fair, and sustainable. As Team Orions, we believe this solution can revolutionize how food travels from farm to fork. Together, we can ensure a future where every farm is respected, every consumer is confident, and every crop tells its true story. Thank you.